Hello guys, it's Washerlad 2014 here. Right, today we are at British Heart Foundation again, and we have this Zanussi electronic sensor. It doesn't have a model number, but yeah, it says Zanussi. There's the on and off button. There's a list of all the programs here. You can actually take it out. Yeah, just the on and off button. You can have A, B, C. Oh, you can actually like A, B, C, D, E, D. There's no E, it's just A, B, C, D, then F, G, H. It's a bit weird, but yeah. Yeah, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, cold. Oh, I think that's the indicator, I don't know. Time drying, don't think those are the options you can have. Time drying, low temperature, buzzer off, and press the start button, buzzer off, low temperature. Let's look at the inside. Yeah, there's instruction manual there. There's instruction booklet, and I don't know what this is, but yeah. Oh, it's the model number. It's made in Italy. It's the TE 350/A. I'm not sure if the P511005 is part of it, but I'm just going to call it the TE 350A. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did enjoy it, then leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And subscribe and turn the notification bell so you can be notified about all my latest content. Right. I will I might do a video tomorrow. I'm gonna post this on Facebook to the group Washing Machine Team. Yeah. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.